unboxing some of the items I got over the weekend. So this is a small pack. It's my props, and here is a carton of a few plates I bought over the weekend. So guys, the first package I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm going to cut it. No time. So let's see what we have here. So inside here, I have my microphone. I've been planning to get this microphone for a very long time. Not this particular one, but the double-cased mic. I wanted to get it for 23,500. But the day I wanted to make this order, they said they're sold out. And this is what they have. This cost a little higher. This is 35,000 naira. And I hope it gives me what I want. So moving on or going forward, I'm going to be making my videos using or my voiceovers using this particular microphone, and I hope it gives me the best results. Right now, so here I'm going to compare my voice prior to using the microphone and afterwards when I begin to use this microphone. Getting ready for 2025, can't continue to stay idle in this tipping era. My two lips. Oh, one has already cut out. I got these 4 two lips. Yeah. And next is this line flower, A-line flower. So this kind of flower that drape down. So I'll be using it. Maybe I'll find a way to fix it somewhere here in my new kitchen, in my new space. This particular bag is small but 90. This thing they are seeing here cost me about 42,500. About 42,500. So this is 35,000. This is 5,000. That's 40k. This is 25. So 42,500 plus delivery, errand, and the rest of them. So guys, that one aside, let's move on to the next package. So guys, the next package is from Kitchen Mall in Lorraine. I got some items from them over the weekend. Yeah, there are these plates I've been wanting to have, so I got a few of them, just one each, and I'm glad I got these dishes. So for food content, baking content, so let me bring out all the items one after the other. There are just 4 items in this big box, but I like the way the package is so that even if the drivers rough handle it, the risk of getting broken is very low. So, yeah. Hi guys, I love this particular dish. Next one, which way? Maybe easier for me. Which way? Next one, the other white dish. I love these dishes. They are stunning. They are beautiful, guys. Take a look. I love these dishes. So, henceforth, I'm using them for my food recipes and whatever. And next is my 5cm ramekin. This is a big ramekin. Oh, they do so well with their packaging, so that, wow, this is beautiful. So guys, these are the items I got from Kitchen Mall alone. I think it cost me 14,450 or thereabout. 14,450. That's what she told me. Let's see. There's a receipt in here. The receipt is saying 14,000 naira. Ah, so where's my 450 now? Ah, okay. So guys, I love these dishes. They're absolutely beautiful. So let me unbox this my, what's the name? I don't even know the name. So let me unbox this. Let me unbox this my wireless microphone. So guys, this is my Q8 microphone. I got it from Simbi Props on Instagram. This microphone cost me 35,000 naira. This is the box that contains everything, and this particular one is used if you have a smaller pin. You attach it to put your pin of your phone. Mine is a type C, so this mic comes with a type C cord or type C mouth, but this thing on the table usually serves more like a connector if you have another charging point. That's if your port or charging point is smaller than the type C. If it's a regular type, I don't know if it's not pin, but I don't know what it's called. You can now attach this particular type. For example, iPhone users, if you use iPhone, use that tip to connect it to serve as a connector. Me that's using a type C, I don't need to attach anything. So guys, this is another smaller package inside the bigger pack. It contains the cord. This cord is actually for charging it. You can use it to charge the microphone itself. You can also use it to charge the connector. So inside the microphone casing, you have two microphones. In the case you are interviewing someone, you use it and the interviewee is using the second part. So this is me trying to attach it to the pocket of my dress. So these things on the table here are the casing, the cord for charging, the two mics, and the connector. This is the connector. So guys, these are the contents of the pack, and these are basically what you need. So it has a manual, a small manual. I just read the components and how to make it of them. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share. See you in my next vlog.